Welcome viewers to 𝐬𝐧𝐬𝐬 Income. In today's video we will discuss how to save $10,000 in a year. Before we get started, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like and share the video. It's notable that a significant percentage of adults in the US lives paycheck to paycheck, and a considerable number have minimal savings. This video aims to introduce effective strategies to streamline and accelerate your saving process. Achieving a savings goal of $10,000 is an impressive feat, particularly in light of the fact that a significant number of individuals face difficulties with unexpected financial emergencies. The current environment underscores the importance of beginning to save as soon as possible. This video outlines a strategic approach to amass this sum within a year. While the objective may appear challenging, minor yet strategic lifestyle modifications can lead to substantial savings accumulation. The process begins with a detailed breakdown of the target amount. For an annual goal of $10,000, this equates to saving approximately $833 monthly, or about $27.30 daily. Let me know in the comment section if you think you can save $27.30 daily. Understanding this target on a daily basis helps in maintaining focus and consistency in saving efforts. It is imperative to identify the driving force behind the desire to save. Whether it is to avoid the strain of living paycheck to paycheck, to prepare for unforeseen expenses, or to alleviate financial stress, a strong motivation is essential to stay committed to the savings plan. Research indicates that the success rate for maintaining New Year's resolutions is notably low, with a significant decline in commitment observed within the first month. To combat this, one must establish a compelling and clear goal, serving as a guiding principle during challenging periods. An effective method to pinpoint this North Star goal can be found through exercises developed by renowned business institutions, which assist in clarifying one's primary saving objectives. A critical component of successful saving is thorough planning. This involves precise budgeting, meal planning, and selecting the most beneficial savings account for optimal return on investment. A practical budgeting technique is the reverse budgeting method. This involves prioritizing savings by deducting a predetermined amount from your monthly income before allocating funds to other expenses. For instance, with a monthly income of $4,500, reserving $500 immediately for savings ensures disciplined financial management. Meticulous tracking of all expenses is crucial. Identifying areas for cost reduction, such as minimizing recurring subscriptions, can significantly enhance savings. The average individual can spend a considerable amount on such subscriptions. Cutting back in this area can lead to noticeable financial benefits. Furthermore, reducing the frequency of dining out is another practical saving strategy. The rise in prices across the food industry, including fast food, has been widely discussed in various forums. This trend, coupled with the practice of decreasing portion sizes while maintaining prices, instead of eating out or using Uber Eats, try the cost-effective way of preparing meals at home. Comparing and switching insurance providers can also yield significant annual savings. Additionally, reassessing clothing expenditures can contribute to achieving the savings target, particularly if existing wardrobes are sufficient. A useful psychological approach is to limit the accessibility of funds, such as through the use of retirement accounts like 401(k)s. Funds are allocated to these accounts before reaching checking accounts, thus fostering a discipline in savings. Enhancing income through side hustles or skill development can expedite the achievement of savings goals. Activities such as reselling items from online marketplaces or participating in flexible side jobs can provide additional financial resources. Considering the tax implications on earnings, saving money often proves more beneficial than increasing income. For instance, saving $10,000 effectively offsets the need to earn approximately $14,285 pre-tax. Employing tax-advantaged savings options, such as individual retirement accounts, can further enhance this efficiency. Investing in low-risk diversified funds, like those tracking major stock indices, offers a balanced approach to growing savings. These funds provide exposure to a broad range of companies and have historically yielded average returns. In summary, through careful planning, targeted lifestyle adjustments, and strategic financial decisions, it is feasible to save approximately $27.45 daily. These concerted efforts, over time, can culminate in a significant savings of $10,000 by year-end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like and share the video.